Hello, my name is Shawn. Now imagine you have a website and you get a lot of comments on your products page that say, please don't delete this. I want to purchase this item now, but I don't have the money for it. Well, I used to get a lot of comments such as these too. That was until I came across the Smart Wishlist plugin. Of course, before I had tested many other plugins as well, but they were all either bugged or really hard to work with. I have to say the Smart Wishlist plugin is actually very easy to work with and very quick too. So you could say now I'm the happiest seller in the world because that used to be a really massive concern for in my niche. So I suggest you to try one for yourself, test it for more conversion, see if it works for you, and I bet you'll love it. So thank you very much, the Smart Wishlist plugin team, and have a good day and good luck.